Next one, aesthetic value and visibility. Effect on aesthetic beauty. Most noticeable effect on air pollution based upon the properties of atmosphere is a reduction in visibility, which may lead to safety hazards. Aesthetic beauty of nature is not visible due to scattering of light by airborne particles. Industrial and automobile emission, sewage and garbage emit foul odor, causing loss of aesthetic beauty. Visibility, clear blue sky and visibility also have aesthetic values. We drive miles and spend money to live in less polluted areas. Traffic and congestion cause the pollution we are trying to avoid. National park and wilderness areas suffer pollution. Visibility is impaired by regional hazard. The Environmental Pollution Agency or Environmental Protection Agency, it's a regional hazard rule. 1999 aims to improve visibility and reduce emission in parks and wilderness. Thank you. Let us see the sample animation video for this topic.
Indian Oil, the country's leading corporate, has pioneered many initiatives for the protection of the environment. Since its inception in 1982, Mathura Refinery continues to meet the petroleum products demand of the northwestern region of the country, including the National Capital Region. Mathura Refinery continuously upgrades state-of-the-art technologies and processes at its processing units. Its captive power plant with 3 gas turbines runs on environment-friendly natural gas. 4 ambient sulfur dioxide air monitoring stations were set up at Farah, Keetham, Bharatpur and Sikandara to continuously monitor emission levels. Old sulfur recovery units were replaced with new sulfur recovery units with enhanced efficiency of up to 99.5% recovery. These, together with a standby unit, meet emission stipulations laid down by the statutory bodies. The refinery is a perfect example of marrying technological advancements with ecological balance. Indian Oil Mathura Refinery has achieved many milestones in the journey to greener fuels. Catalytic reformers introduced in 1995 make the refinery a pioneer in supplying low-lead and lead-free petrol in the region. In April 2010, the refinery began supplying Euro 4 grade auto fuel, meeting the timeline set for the entire National Capital Region. On 1st April 2019, the green milestone target to supply BS6 grade auto fuels to major areas of the National Capital Region was achieved. Mathura Refinery has a modern effluent treatment plant. The benign nature of refinery operations at Mathura is reflected in the quality of effluent discharge that meets standards set by CPCB. Recycled water is used in the day-to-day refinery processes like firefighting system, TPS systems and for irrigation at the eco plant. Water is also released outside the refinery for agricultural purposes.
वर्तमान में विगत 10 सालों की अपेक्षा अब 2 साल में मथुरा रिफाइनरी द्वारा हमारे ग्रामवासियों के लिए पेयजल की व्यवस्था की गई है, जो कि गाँव वासियों के उपयोग के लिए पर्याप्त है। घरों से जो पानी निकलता है वो सब पानी खेतियों में जाके खेती की फसलों में उपयोग हो रहा है, पोखरों में जा रहा है, जिससे पशु अपने भैंस गाय पानी पीने के उपयोग किया जा रहा है। और एक सुलभ शौचालय बनवाया गया है महिलाओं के लिए और पुरुषों के लिए। मथुरा रिफाइनरी की जो अपेक्षाएँ हमसे होती हैं, हमें रिफाइनरी से अपेक्षा होती हैं, उन पर हम एक दूसरे का सहयोग करते रहते हैं।
Health initiatives undertaken by the refinery include the 50-bed Swarna Jayanti Samudayak Hospital, which provides free medical care to the destitute and subsidized treatment to others. 2 mobile dispensaries provide medical care to nearby villages. The Mathura Refinery, committed to providing energy in a responsible way that respects communities, their safety and the environment.